it. If you don't got the bands, get out my way. We some young niggas, we paper chase.
So if you're figuring out how to make money, like you're sitting at home, you've been looking for little side hustles. That was my thing. I literally Googled side hustles every day. How can I make money just chilling? Like, what can I do? What is there to do? And I've always been into fashion. I always know what's on trend. Like, I make the trends. I always just like, what can I do? And then I came across Depop, and I just tested the waters, and I made some money. So I went all in. I put my whole goddamn leg in there, thigh high, goddamn, knee high.
Big runs to give us to the face. Yeah, I'm first place, yeah, I'm next up. All tips, it's gon' hit a nigga.
My name is Javon Ned, also go by Vaughn's Fits, and I'm going to tell you how to make $1,000 in your first month on Depop. For those of you who don't know what Depop is, it's basically like eBay or Poshmark where you resell your clothes. It could be old clothes, new clothes, whatever. And basically I'm going to tell you how I made $1,000 in my first month. This is going to be tips, tricks, everything you need to know, so stay tuned. Basically, in more depth, what Depop is, it's a reselling app like Poshmark and eBay, but instead of those apps, it's actually navigated like Instagram. So when you scroll down your feed, it'll actually look like an Instagram feed, but instead of the pictures being random pictures of your friends and your family, it's actually pictures of clothes that people are trying to resell. And then at the bottom, instead of like a caption, like an Instagram caption, it'll be like a caption to sell the clothes. So it'll have the price, the condition, like what the piece is, where they got it, stuff like that. So it's definitely like a new cool way to shop. And if you're looking for new clothes, instead of like going to the stores, you're like, you know what I'm saying, going on like the store's websites basically. And if you want to look for new trendy stuff, I'm definitely an advocate for Depop. And you definitely should check out the app and see if you could, I'm saying, find some pieces for yourself. But if you're looking just to make money, stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all know how to make a little bit of cheddar, a little bit of cheese. You know what I'm saying? All right, so basically starting out on Depop, I actually was looking for a place to sell some of my clothes, and I actually signed up for Poshmark at first. And I was super hyped. I told my brother about it. I was like, yeah, bro, I'm selling clothes on Poshmark. I'm about to make hella money. He was like, bro, like, you should be selling on Depop. You'll make way more, first off. Second off, it's way cooler. I was kind of skeptical at first, but I didn't know what it was, so I was saying I didn't make my account. A week later goes by, I didn't sell on Poshmark. Then I opened my Depop app, made an account, posted my first shirt on there. Literally in that same day, I made my first sale. So I was like, oh shoot, maybe this is lucrative. After that, I started posting more on there, just random stuff that I had in my closet, and it was selling like pretty fast. So after I did that, I was like, like, let me see if I can make a profit off like the thrift store or something. So I went to the thrift store. I actually just picked up 2 shirts. One was a Harley Davidson Mardi Gras t-shirt, and the other was like this random like Adidas shirt, I think. And I posted it on my Depop. It took a little bit of time. It took like maybe 3 or 4 days to sell, but eventually it did sell. I bought it for like $1.99 or like $2, and then literally like 3 days later I sold it for, I think, either $10 or $12. I can't remember. I was like, like maybe like let me just keep trying this. I went to another thrift store and I got like maybe like 4 or 5 pieces, because I didn't want to just like go crazy and buy hella shit and then like turns out I can't sell it. So I just started doing small pieces by small pieces, like 5 shirts at a time, maybe 4 shirts, and then just posted it on there and just see how it does. And then once I realized like, dude, I was actually making like a 300-400% profit, I just started going crazy with this shit. So I just started buying hella shit off a nigga anywhere, basically. Just whatever I wasn't wearing, I was just throwing it on my fucking Depop, really. Hey. Alright, before you start selling on Depop, there are a couple of things that you need to know. Depop does charge a 10% commission fee whenever you do sell an item on there. There's no subscription fee or a listing fee or anything like that. Basically, they just take 10%, and you can either set up free shipping or you can have the seller pay for shipping. So basically you could ship it yourself if you know how to do that through PayPal, or you can do ship with Depop, and they have different rates for the different sizes and the different packaging. So whatever works for you, but you definitely want to take that into account on your profit. Let's say I have a shirt for $7, but I'm paying for shipping and shipping is $4.50 on it, and then they take 10%, you're really only gonna make like $1 or so. So you definitely want to like make sure that everything, all your cards are played right before you list something, because I have done that a couple of times. I listed a shirt for $7 and I put free shipping on it, and I ended up only making $1. Good thing I bought the shirt only for $1, so I broke even, so I wasn't too mad.
Bruh.
So if you're a beginner, I'm gonna teach you exactly how you can sell more like right off the bat. First and foremost, you wanna promote it on all your social media. So you basically wanna let everybody you know that you're selling shit on Depop. Because if they don't know, I mean, that's the easiest way to start out, like getting a couple sales, like having your friends buy your shirts, or basically that's just, it's common sense. Second off, after you promote it on all your social medias, first off, you actually want to have your account set up right. So if you don't have like a little avatar picture, a nice little bio, all that, get that set up first. Like super easy. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comments. Nigga, in the comments.
Busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins a...
Alright, so starting off, number one, I'd say just try selling things that you have in your closet, like things you don't wear anymore, things you can't fit. If you have siblings that have items that they don't have anymore, just see if they'll let you sell their shit. Really, like, that's the easiest way to start out, just so you can get some things on your profile, get some traction going. You want to get reviews, you want to get sales, you want to get, at the top it'll say like how many days it takes for this person to ship out items. On my profile it says it takes me 1 day to ship out an item. So you definitely just want to start getting accolades on your profile to build a trustworthy source. I'd say that is number one on getting more sales, because once you have that, like once you're getting traction on your page, you're getting a couple followers, people are gonna be like, oh, this guy's like legit, so they'll buy it like that. Literally, I have people come on my page literally the first day on my page and buy something just cause. So I'd say just get some traction going, start selling things that you have in your closet before you go out to stores and spending a bunch of money on getting items. But once you've, I guess, like, are getting that traction going and you have everything posted on your account and you want more things on your account, that's when you should start going to thrift stores. Definitely just go to thrift stores. If you're spending more than like $4 or $5 on a shirt, it's gonna be very hard to make profit, like after the fees and everything. So if you wanna make the most of your profit, go to the thrift stores. Next, you wanna make sure that, and this is key, you wanna make sure your pricing is right on your items. I hate when I go to like newer profiles and they have like, and it's like $50 for a t-shirt, like a no brand t-shirt. Like, slow down, you know what I'm saying? Build your reputation up. Like, I started out selling my shirts for like $7, $8, $9. So I'd say I keep the pricing low, just like get some sales going. Like, unless you have a fire product, I would keep the price kind of low. Once you have your pricing, your picture quality, your caption, everything set to go, next you want to make sure that you're bumping your items daily. So basically you can go on to your app, you can go into your picture, you can go into your item that you're doing, hit edit, and basically hit post listing again, and it'll bring your item back up to the top of Depop basically. So like, let's say you're following somebody and you're going down your feed of your followers and God damn it. Basically, it'll just bring your shit back up to the top so that people can see it, and you can edit the price on it again. One time I actually edited the price and I actually made it more expensive, and it literally sold like within a minute or two after me bumping it, and I literally bumped the price up too. So just bump your items every day and you'll probably make a sale. Not probably, you will make a sale, god no. Okay, another way to getting sales and getting repeat customers is having great customer service. So one thing about me, I actually used to work at Nordstrom's. I was selling women's shoes, and one thing I realized is if you have great customer service, you can literally sell anything, like literally sell anything and have them come back. So that's better than just selling one thing. You want them to come back. So right when I get a sell, I immediately message them like, hey, thanks for purchasing. I'm gonna get your order shipped out immediately. People usually respond with, oh my God, thanks, like you're the best, or you have amazing stuff. And I'm just like, oh my God, no, you're amazing. This is your world, I'm just living in it. And once you build that connection, that rapport with them, they'll literally buy something from you again. So I'd say like having great customer service is everything. Once they receive their item, you want to ask them to basically do a review. Starting out, you need their review, so ask them for the review every customer. Even if it was just a quick little bracelet or earring, just ask them to do a review. Most likely they'll do 5 stars. Boom, perfect, like you're set. Another thing that you want to do in order to make $1,000 in your first month on Depop is just posting as many items on your page as possible. Try to have at least 100 items on your profile. Once you have so many items, like you're bound to sell like 2-3 a day and 4 or 5 a week. It'll just flow in, like you'll be chilling. There's nothing better than that little red notification that says sold. You're like, well, I made some money. I made some profit. Yeah, that's gonna be my signature, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, next I want to talk about getting on the Explore page. So getting on the Explore page is super lucrative to growing. Once you're on the Explore page, basically everybody who goes on Depop can see your item, and they can like it, they can follow you if you have really good items. Basically, you want to get on the Explore page. But in order to get on the Explore page, there's a couple things you have to know. Basically have to be on trend. What I do is I actually scroll down the Explore page, and you'll notice it too. So you'll scroll like maybe like a couple of pages, and you'll just start to see reoccurring themes. One day it'll be a plaid, one day it'll be like straight polos, like everything Ralph Lauren. Next day it'll be all Nautica. Basically what you have to do is when you see a trend, post your picture if you have that item. If everything is polo that day, go into your closet, post your polos, and boom, have the fire caption, you know what I'm saying, have everything up to date. Boom, Explore page. Like, it's that simple, really. Like, that simple. And have a fire aesthetic, of course. Boom. Boom. Alright, again, this was how to make $1,000 in 1 month selling on Depop. My name is Javon Ned. I go by Von's Fits. Go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the notification bar, you know, help me out, help me grow. I'm trying to hit 1K in 1 month. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal, you know, 1K a month. 2K 2 months. 3K 3 months. You know?
Yeah, I'm first place, yeah, I'm next up. Little tips, it's gon' hit a nigga's chest up. Big block slide down, we got best.